Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Arno Elementary School in Allen Park, Michigan, home of the Cougars. And today's focus for my visit this time was all about bullying, looking at someone's heart first, right? That you see someone for their heart before anything else, which is not easy to do because a lot of things cloud our hearts and get into our hearts that make it really hard to see someone for who they truly are. But like I told the students in both assemblies, all grades K through 5, was that if we keep our hearts closed, then that could potentially shield us from meeting maybe an amazing friend, right? Someone that could turn out to be a best friend. So it's important that we treat people like our best friends, right? That you would always treat somebody for who they are inside and never about what they have or their skin color or any difference between you and them, how they were born. It's all about who they are as a person. And to be able to see that, to look at that first and foremost is huge, right? To turn our heart, as big as our fist, into this peace sign. One finger for ourselves, the other for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but also two, because in just one breath, one heartbeat, 2 seconds, what we say or do can affect somebody in a positive way or in a negative way for the rest of their life. And so we also talked about the importance of turning hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people, right? That both are choices, and hopefully we choose the latter, right? That we're gonna let that kindness and love fully enter our heart so we can go out and show that compassion and much needed respect to everybody around us. That also means we believe that we're all true miracles too. Like I'm on our hands, I traced one of mine here, it's on my shirt as well, but the M with the lines in each of our palm, that means miracle, right? And sometimes there's a faint line that connects it, but everybody, at least one on each hand, has the letter M with the lines of your hand. Upside down W for worthy, that we're worthy of love to give it and receive it. And we need to be that light to others' hearts, because a lot of people we meet, especially some of the youth I talk to, on a consistent basis, they don't believe that they are miracles, right? We gotta really shine that light to their heart, be that mirror for them to know that they're beautiful, that they're loved, and that we got their back. As always, it was a great day. Students here continue to inspire me, seeing all the leaders walking around the safety patrol, but also taking it up a notch and really trying to create a positive, kind culture here at their school. A lot of students are already starting their own clubs, so shout out to you-know-who. But also, just making this a way of their life. A lot of students came up to me and said that this inspired them today. There were a couple tears. I said, that's okay, tears are strength. It means you're starting to heal and feel again. And to know that even at this young age, they're taking this so seriously is so encouraging for me. You guys are beautiful. Never stop believing that. Hopefully I'll see you again in the near future. Until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Check out this amazing playlist of some great inspirational video clips and my website, mrpeace.org. You can access via the link here to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.